Do we have to tell the truth when it comes to cyber insurance? Okay, picture this. It's probably happened to you. It's dinner time. You're called to the table.
Did you wash your hands like you're supposed to?
You're asked. You didn't. On purpose or not, your hands are dirty. But it's dinner time and it's your favorite dish, rutabaga stew. Okay, it's an inside joke for Simplex-IT fans. But you put on your sweetest face, just like mine, except 100% different. And you say, "Of course I did." Do you get busted? Okay, I'll let you finish your own story. Because this is about cyber insurance and somebody who did get busted, and I doubt it'll be the last time. Now, we've talked before about how cyber insurance companies are getting stricter in what their clients need to do on the security front before offering them a cybersecurity policy. We've even referred to this as the traveler's dilemma, since one of the first carriers to do so in a big way was Travelers Insurance. They required organizations and sometimes managed service providers like Simplex-IT to sign off stating that the client had implemented basic security strategies, most notably multi-factor authentication, aka MFA. Oh, we've got a video on that as well. Here, I think. Is it this side? Other side. We've got a video on that as well. There. Now, on July 5th, in the U.S. District Court for the Central District of Illinois, Travelers said it would not have issued a cyber insurance policy earlier this year to an electronics manufacturing services company if the insurer, Travelers, knew that the company was not using MFA as it said it was. Since then, the company suffered a ransomware attack. Travelers doesn't want to have anything to do with losses, costs, or claims from the attack. Now, think about this. A company applies for a policy and as part of the application indicates they are following an appropriate strategy, security or otherwise. Travelers not only offers the policy, but also sets the pricing for the policy based on the truthfulness of the application. Only it's wrong. And we're not talking about missing a comma or a minor omission. Flat out wrong. MFA was not implemented anywhere near the level that the submitted document stated. Stupid, greedy insurance companies. Well, actually, on this one, I got to give Travelers the benefit of the doubt based on what information I can see. Our economy is going to continue to be attacked and attacked until the business model that the bad guys live under is eliminated, which ain't going to happen anytime soon. And insurance is going to be a critical go-to for organizations to withstand some of the damages that will occur from successful attacks. But the insurance industry has to control some of its costs, and one of the ways is to insist on implementation of certain cybersecurity practices. And if clients aren't willing to implement those strategies, then the insurance company shouldn't have to pay if the client misrepresented themselves. For those of you who have cyber insurance policy renewals coming up in the near future, be ready to see either significant rate hikes or required security strategies implemented, or both most likely. Oh, and usually I didn't wash my hands, and I got busted. Every single time.